Good evening, Nerdfighter here as always, and I am filming this on a really terrible camera, but that is what it is because I just can't stand using my iPod for this anymore because it's a pain in the ass. So, anyway, welcome to a new episode of Vape Mail. I've tried this about 4 times now. So, this is what I got. I got it from Vapor Beast, so it came with a little Vapor Beast unicorn bottle. But the most important thing, of course, is this right here. This is from UD or UD or however you're supposed to pronounce it. And it's this new thing that they came out. I'm not sure what the hell, why that's there, but it's this new thing that they came up with. It's a coil building multi-tool. Check that out. That's pretty cool, right? So we got our... That's weird. Okay, so, yeah, so we got the little... So, yeah, it's got... Sorry, I got a little distracted. Let me undistract myself. I also got a bit distracted by the construction of this thing. See, alright. So we have our ceramic tweezers of sorts. Right here. Bit of an odd construction. I thought they were all going to be... It was going to be all one side. But I guess that's not how it works. So you got your ceramic tweezers. Right there. We got Phillips head. Screwdriver right here. Not sure what the file's for, but we got a file. I guess because it could be used as just as a multi-tool as well as for coil building. Let's see, got a little kind of a dull blade, but a little blade right there. There we go. Pair of scissors. Might be good for cutting cotton. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna test these things out when we do like the full when I do the full review. We got next to the scissors. Different screwdrivers. Guess you could use those to different types of like screwdriver things as well, and of course your pliers. So all in all, we got a decent little multi-tool. This is going to take some getting used to, but this is, yeah, it's a decent little multi-tool. When everything's away, it just folds away like so. And there you go. They have it. So that's basically all I got this week for this time for Vape Mail. It's got its little carrying pouch. So you put that on your belt loop. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what? Yeah, that's going to break if I do pull it off that way. But, oh look. Oh look. I have a scissor. Da 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 da. So let's test out the scissor. Wow, that cuts really well. Holy crap. Oh, I can't wait to show this to the guys at the vape shop. And when you need just the tweezers, not tweezers, the pliers, there you go. So that's a neat little investment, I guess. Yeah. Goes right in there. Bam. Stick it on your belt loop. I'll probably stick it like right there. If you can see that at all, it's really dark. But anyway, that's all I've got for this episode of Vape Mail. I'm going to try to figure out how to upload this thing now from here. So we're going to say DFTBA. Get your drippy drew on. Drippy drew. A drippy drew. A drippy drew. Get that drippy drew on. DFTBA. Vape on. And yeah, take it deep.